Okay, everybody, good afternoon. Welcome to this edition, Flight Simulator 2020. Today we'll discuss the taxiway procedures rules out of Heathrow. And we have the chart. As you can see, we are actually in gate A12, this area. We will see the release and which runway they will advise us to go for takeoff. We will start our flight by entering the cockpit. As you can see, it's totally dark here. We will turn the battery on and we will start our procedures to turn the battery on. Actually, this is the battery on, so the cockpit now. Uh, our call sign will be Egypt Air 191, and this is the release. Actually, we will start. We'll start to turn the cockpit light on. So this is by first step, left side cockpit. Upper panel will turn it all on, so we can see the all the panel. It's actually uh, now the tower talked to me about the release clearance for IFR clearance. Now he give me 909 Lima runway, and transition altitude 13,000 feet. So we'll set the altitude on 13,000 feet, and on 09 Lima, the takeoff 09 Lima. Actually, this is the 09 Lima, and we are here. So we are far away from the takeoff runway, or runway in use on Heathrow Airport. However, we'll try to follow the charts and the rules advised by the tower, and until the clearance for takeoff. Okay, here we are. Now we will continue to turn on the panel of the cockpit, and this is should be step by step, coordinating with FO, first officer. And as you can see, all the panels being set. Flight FMC already been set the flight plan, and we set it before entering the flight from the flight planner. So now we will start immediately our clearance for pushback, and we will follow the rules for the takeoff runway. Okay, here we are. We'll start ground. We'll talk with the ground, Heathrow Airport, and he will respond to us. We will request IFR flight first. Uh, Egypt Air. We are our call sign Egypt Air 191, and okay. Now he give us the taxiways through all the way until we reach uh, 09 Lima. So as you can see, the taxiway will start by Mike Lima 25 Bravo Eco Alpha Lima 57 Alpha 13 Alpha Bravo 13. If you back to the chart and you see, now this is our location here at the bottom of 09 Lima. Here we are, our location here, maintenance area here. So what he said to us, and this should be reviewed between captain and first officer before they start, for sure. That we uh, okay, acknowledge last transmission. Okay, we are acknowledged. Uh, okay, so we will start first by Mike Lima 25. As you can see, we start by Mike Lima 25, and this is Mike here. This is Mike and Lima 25. If you can see here, let me show you more okay, here Mike, here we are Mike, and then Lima 25. So we'll start pushback from here all the way until Lima 25. We will pass this area, and then what? Then Lima 25 Bravo Eco Alpha. Then we'll start Bravo Eco Alpha. We'll back here Bravo. Here we are Bravo, and all the way Eco. Here we are Bravo. Then Eco. Then Alpha. Other exit Alpha, and then we will go right side. Here we are Eco, and then left side, as you can see, until A13. Here we are at the end of the runway AB13, which is shows the final stage before takeoff clearance. And this is more real, as real in Heathrow Airport. This is a real chart, and you can see also on panel. It shows the taxiway. It shows the taxiway all the way here until we reach to 09 Lima. Or we have also other part, which is VFR map. Here we are. We will push back, and then we will go all the way to Mike, and then Mike Lima 25, and then Bravo, then all the way Bravo, then Alpha, then we will go to Alpha Bravo 13, which is the runway 09 Lima. Okay, now we'll start our pushback clearance. Our pushback clearance. We'll talk with ground surface and request the pushback. As long he start the pushback, we will release the brake, and then we will run up the engine. We'll start the engine after we start the pushback. Now he accepted, and this is outside viewing, you can see. And then after that we'll start our startup after pushback. We call him to start pushback. We'll wait until you see, you can see the this is the south area of Heathrow Airport, and we'll back. Now start pushback, as you can see. Start pushback all the way. We should turn the aircraft. We ask the ground marshal to turn the aircraft to the right, and we'll start by start up the engine. You see the button here, running fuel, and we start engine engine startup. And here we are, you can see the pushback, pushback all the way, and you can hear the voice of engine running. And okay, here we are now. This is the aircraft. This is our aircraft. Okay, so we'll steer the aircraft to the right. We'll ask him to steer the aircraft to the right. Aircraft to the so we will face the north of the runway, and this is okay. Now, okay, we will he will start to steer the aircraft to the right, and so facing the runway heading, and you can see. Okay, now stop the end of pushback. Okay, end of pushback. Okay, now we'll start our taxiway through the procedures and rules they guide us about it, which is, as we said, we start by Mike, again Lima 25, and then Alpha, then Bravo, then Echo, then all the way Alpha 30. Okay. Now, as you can see here, the engine running, 4 engine running, engine number 1, 2, 3, the fourth one gradually start up now until it's totally running, so I can judge that all the engine and the fuel as well pump already start, FMC being set, and here we are the map, and we'll start our move now, and we supposed to initiate the brake. Now we back the brake, the squawk already been set, and this is the squawk you can set, the squawk 6004, and it's real and more than real actually. It's give you also at the end of the flight, give you at the end of the flight give you the real evaluation about your performance and how you. Okay, now we'll start our move toward the final release of brake already. Okay, engine, of course I have outside of screen, you have all the tools and equipment you needed for this flight simulator. You have throttle and rudder and joystick and all the stuff you needed, so you can for more realistic and more enjoying. Okay, here we are. We give it more as you can see, this is the taxiway. Okay, and this is the aircraft from outside. Now left, as we will go through Mike and then Lima 25, following the rules and the guidances they give it to us, and as you can see, Heathrow Airport, this is south of the airport, okay, here we are now on Mike, and then we will go Lima 25. As you can see here the sign, let me show you the sign. Now this is the black one, as you know, this is you going through this this is the taxiway. So we are now Lima 25. We will go through Bravo, okay, left side. So we will go left side through Bravo as the guidances they give us. Okay, just up a little bit. Okay, here we are, much better this way. Okay, so we'll start to move now, and as you can see the map of the airport, we'll go through all the way Lima 25 as the sign show us, and then we will go left, and so we will, as you can see the airport here, Airbus 330 and here 380, and this is the terminal in front of us. We will turn left side, okay, this is the aircraft outside. Oh, should be on the yellow line. Okay, okay, here we are now, left side, following the procedures and the guidances from the tower, which give us Lima 25 and then Bravo, then okay. Now as you can see, we passed 325, we going Bravo. As you can see, this is Bravo. Okay, here we are, Bravo, and then we will continue right, and then we will turn left to the Alpha, and then Echo, and then all the way to Alpha Bravo 13 to reach to 09 Lima airport. Okay, you can see that it's real. The taxiway, it shows real. The lights there. It's very um, shows. Okay, now we can see small aircraft here. I should hold, yeah, and he should advise the tower. Now he turned left, okay, he turned right, and he back. Okay, fine, you back by yourself, this is good. And then we will wait, we will hold for a while, and then it seems he give us to hold for a while. Okay, however, okay, you can go. Now as you can see the sign here, Bravo, so we will go Bravo now, which is shows left side. Okay, now Bravo will go right side, so we will reach Alpha, and then to Alpha Bravo 09 Lima. To those people who are interesting and have the ambition to learn more about pilots, and this is help, and this is Flight Simulator 2020. It has a lot of data and information. It might help the people who want to start their career, or they want to start their job as a pilot, even for young people as well. It's very useful for young people as well. It put them on the track, actually, that. And the reality shows, as you can see, the reality, it's very remarkable and very very interesting. Okay, now we have bus. What the hell he doing there? Now you shouldn't pass this area, sir. Either you okay, either you continue or let me pass, but you cannot stand this way. And we have on the right side, we have pushback also aircraft 330, as you can see on the right side. But okay, now the bus realized that he's in the wrong place, so he start to move. And okay, where are you going now? So let me pass, please. You cannot stand this way, sir. Either you move forward, or now this is on real life. It's sign very dangerous that any vehicles, it shouldn't, they are restricted. Okay, okay, now he give me hold position, because as you can see, hold position, caution, Boeing 747 on the taxiway. Okay, so we'll turn the brake on, and we will relax for the while, because there are pushback, it seems. So I should wait until they give me release and clearance to carry on, to continue the taxiway. And at that time we take advantage from this hold to back on the chart and follow the rules and the taxiway guidances. He give us, as you can see, Mike 20 Lima 25, and then Bravo, then we will go to Alpha, and then back to Eco, right side, and then all the way until at the end of the runway, Alpha Bravo 30. Now we cannot move until the tower give us clearance to carry on the taxiway, and this is always happen if there are real crowded some airport. Sometimes you sit on 15-20 minutes waiting for another continue clearance. We will wait, and this is outside view as you can see, and I forget, this is with the checklist. We should turn the light on, of course. This is big huge mistake. This is now the light, it should be with the checklist, you turn it on, actually after pushback, but this is with the checklist. It should happen, as you can see. Now here we are, much better. This is the terminal, and we are hold 747 waiting for the continue taxi. I think it's now he should give me the clearance. We will wait until we will see back to the, as you can see the light, we turn it on all, and here we are, and we'll turn the light. You can see we can zoom in, and here we are, 747. See the aircraft, it's came in front of us, and with all registration and flight number, and it's in front of us. It seems he will pass right side, and then after that he will give us the clearance. Now he facing us. We will wait until further notice and further guidances from tower. Okay, now we still hold. We'll wait. As you can see the aircraft here, this one, it's 330, and he hold. He it seems we don't know he's the one or the other pushback car, other pushback aircraft, but however the rules, the tower should give us more clarification for that. It's supposed to give us, for instance, okay, this is hold in your position. We have another aircraft come from this side to other side, and we will wait. Okay, disappear. Where is the aircraft? It seems it's parked somewhere. Okay, it was in front of us. Seems it's parked. Okay, whatever, we will wait. Actually, this is sometimes annoying and offended the people, that the aircraft waiting for a long time on taxiway and waiting before takeoff, and this is it's happened with very busy airports like Heathrow, Frankfurt, JFK. And this is normal that you sometimes 1 hour and 1 hour and a half waiting for your turn to reach to the final stage before takeoff. Okay, we still wait for continue taxiway. And as you can see, the cockpit 747, they have real remarkable graphic on it. Can see how it's really, even the manuals, they put the manuals, and you can see the manuals here, and um, the light, and um, one extra jump seat, and this is the upper panel, here. You can see here, let me show you the light all on here, and the light here also, it's all on. Okay, we're still waiting for the clearance. It's really long time now. What's happened, guys? Hold position until now. We should hold position until okay. Okay, continue now. As you can hear the engine, we start. Okay, release the brake and then continue taxi. As we said, Bravo, then Alpha, then Eco, and then we'll continue to Alpha Bravo 09 Lima. And here's outside, and this is Heathrow. As you can see, it's real, it's more than real. Now we'll have another challenge. We'll put another challenge. We'll put, let's say, very bad weather. It's very storm. We'll see. Okay. You can see, we'll put some storm. Storm, and as you can see, now we have storm on the, and this is the weather chart. We put the weather chart. Okay. You see, you can see the lightning over the terminal here, and as you can see, lightning and raining. Of course, we should avoid it after takeoff. Okay, here we are. Now we'll go right side, and then as you can see, we are still in Bravo all the way toward 09 Lima. Before takeoff, we will take release, clearance for takeoff, and then we will continue. This is we are here actually, and this is the airport chart. As you can hear the voice of, as you can see, you can hear the voice of the thunderstorm. It's clear that, okay, we'll continue little bit. Okay. Okay, here we are. You can adjust everything as we mentioned before. Final check, speed, let's set it, should be set with VR nose up, but we will set it 300 and 13,000 feet. Okay. Okay. Now right side, we'll go right side, here we are, right side, and then as you can see, right side, and then all the way to eco, and then as you can see the terminal in front of us. Here we are, and this is the sign on the airport itself. Okay, here we are. Then eco all the way we will go, then Alpha Bravo 13, the final taxiway road to the runway. Okay, here we are. As you can see the map on okay, here we are here, and then we will go left side. Now this is 09 Lima in front of us. We will turn left side. You can see takeoff in front of us, and then we will go left as per advice from the tower, and then here we are, eco, and then toward final road of taxiway. Okay, here we are, left side, left side all the way until Alpha Bravo 30. Okay, now this is, as you can see, the now Alpha. Okay, this is Alpha final taxiway before. Let me check with you FMC procedures for the flight plan. This is, you can see the this is the legs. Let me show you. This is departure, arrival. We depart from Heathrow toward Charles de Gaulle Airport, and this is the flight plan, which shows the flight plan all the way. This is next page. Just quick check. Flight plan all the way to Charles de Gaulle, Paris. Okay, here we are. And then now it's been set the flight plan already, and as we said before, that I have the stuff for all the equipment, throttle and joystick, radar, everything, hearing stuff, all of these things. We should prepare it to have more interesting environment and atmosphere for you. And this is okay. Here we are at the final stage. Okay, we are very fast, by the way, you see, but because we are late, so we should prepare to save a time for our passengers for sure. Okay, now we are an AB final taxiway, and we should ask the clearance now. Back to the clearance for takeoff. We will talk to the tower and request okay, this is the final information before takeoff. Wind, visibility, and heavy rain, sky condition, and temperature, altimeters, QNH, all ILS 09 Lima. This is unused, and unused. Okay. Okay, now we are lined up. Okay, we will line up on the runway. uh, we will line up on the we will line up on 09 Lima, and then we will ask the clearance. Okay, here we are. Okay, here we are. We'll wait. As you can see, this is from outside. We are ready for takeoff. uh, this is okay. uh, Now we will call tower. We will ask request takeoff. We will ask Egypt Air 191 ready for departure, and he give me okay. Okay, clearance now. Okay, give me clearance already. Now we will go, and this is, you can see the throttle. Okay, full throttle. Here we are. Everything okay, being set. Let's go. Here we are. Okay, full power 09 Lima. Everything be checked. Okay, as we have raining and thunderstorm, we should taking in account that after takeoff we should avoid any clouds and any thunderstorm. Okay, here we are. We will reach to the V1 VR and then rotate. Will advise us V1 and then okay, acknowledge. Okay, here we are, V1 nose up. Okay, nose up. Okay, here we are. So I should focusing on this thing, as you know, and positive climb, gear up. We are 10 degrees, as you can see the takeoff. Okay, so I should contact London Center. Okay, acknowledge, contact London Center. Okay, contact London Center, and just focusing on the degree, 10 degrees, and as you can see the area around Heathrow. Everything okay so far. We are 4,000, almost 4,000. So later we'll engage the autopilot, everything be set. So here we are. We will engage the auto throttle and then the autopilot, and then we will set of course the vertical speed. It should be, this is in the FMC, it should be 2,500, something like that. Okay, now flaps, we will retract flaps. Already it was flaps 5, we'll back flaps, and then things, it seems okay. Here we are. Now engage LN nav. It will goes all the way. It will goes to follow the course. As you can see on the map, we will go through. This is the course, and we will continue all the way. This is the course, as you can see, the course all the way. It will engage all the way to Charles de Gaulle airport, and everything set on the FMC. Here we are. We have one more thing that you can see the thunderstorm here. So the map show you the cloud, so you can avoid the cloud. It's not that serious. It's green, it's okay. It's not that serious. We can avoid it, and things, as you can see, the aircraft. I hope that you are enjoying and you have useful information for that. Thank you for your listening and see you again.